base.
Hello, my name is Maxine, and I am a self-care advocate through natural healing. And I help people come out of toxic relationships and limiting belief system. Chakra series, the Sacral Chakra, our pleasure center, our passion, our fun, our creativity. It is associated with the color orange, and it's located just about here. Now, when that is blocked, we feel void of emotions, out of control. One of the ways to open that up is through food. Foods like mangoes, oranges, carrots, anything orange, and hip opener exercises. Self-care. You are worthy of a harmonious